Creating luxury decor on a shoestring budget might sound like a daunting task, but with a little creativity and strategic planning, it can be a delightful endeavor. Welcome to our channel, where today we'll unravel the secrets to transforming your space into an elegant haven without breaking the bank. Our journey begins with the cornerstone of any luxurious interior: color. The right color scheme can elevate any space and doesn't require extravagant spending. Opt for neutral palettes, combined with rich, deep tones like navy or emerald, which convey a sense of luxury and sophistication. A coat of fresh paint can redefine a room's ambiance, and by choosing high gloss or metallic finishes for certain accents, you can add an element of opulence. Now let's discuss furniture. Instead of purchasing brand new items, consider visiting thrift stores or online marketplaces. Here you can find quality pieces that only need a little TLC. A fresh coat of paint or new upholstery can transform these finds into stunning centerpieces. Look for furniture with classic lines or mid-century modern designs, as these often exude timeless elegance. One cannot underestimate the power of lighting in setting a luxurious tone. Swap out standard lighting fixtures for more elegant options, such as chandeliers or pendant lights. Look for inexpensive pieces that mimic high-end designs, or for a truly personalized touch, you might try a DIY project with affordable materials to create your own unique fixture. Turning our attention to textiles, let's talk about how they can enhance your space. Layering different textures is an easy way to add depth and richness. Incorporate velvet throws, silk cushions, or faux fur rugs to create a cozy yet luxurious atmosphere. Remember, high-end stores often have sales or clearances, so keep an eye out for quality fabrics at reduced prices. Next, accessorize intelligently. The key to luxury decor is in the details. Opt for gold or silver accents, which can be found in decorative items like picture frames, mirrors, and vases. These metallic touches capture and reflect light beautifully, enhancing the luxurious feel. You don't need many. A few well-placed items are more effective than cluttering the space. Art can also play a significant role in creating an upscale atmosphere. Instead of expensive originals, consider prints or pieces from lesser-known but talented local artists. Even a strategic arrangement of a few pieces can make a big impact, transforming your walls into a gallery that exudes refined taste. Finally, never underestimate the power of greenery. Indoor plants add vitality and contrast to luxury decor, and they need not be costly. Simple green plants in elegant pots can bridge the gap between luxury and warmth, making your space inviting and fresh. In conclusion, creating a luxurious space on a shoestring budget is about prioritizing where to invest and knowing where you can save. By focusing on elements like color, light, texture, and thoughtful accessorizing, anyone can achieve the coveted look of luxury. With creativity and a strategic approach, lavish living is not just for the wealthy, but for anyone willing to think outside the box. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on turning everyday spaces into extraordinary places.